Hello दोस्तों, welcome to this channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. Don't forget to click on bell icon. In this video we are going to see how to get the eigenvalues of 3x3 and 4x4 matrix within 1 second. So shortcut trick we are going to see in this lecture. We already prepared some videos regarding this lecture series mathematics. The link is available in description box, and the different topics which we have covered, that you can see here. The shortcut to find the determinant of 3x3 matrix, adjoint of 2x2 and 3x3 matrix, inverse of 2x2 and 3x3 matrix, eigenvalues and eigenvectors for 2x2 and 3x3 matrix. So if you want to look at this different topic, the link is available in description box. You can check it. Now friends, we will see how to get the eigenvalues for this matrix. So this was the question which came in GATE 2011 for computer science branch, where we have to consider the given matrix, which is a 3x3 matrix which having 3 rows and 3 columns. So among these following options, we have to find out which is the eigenvalue. So to finding out the eigenvalues, we have seen already one video. In that we have to write the characteristic equation, and based on this characteristic equation we can find out the eigenvalues. But when you look at this problem, we will get these eigenvalues within 1 second. So how is that? You can look at this matrix. You can see these are the diagonal elements, and below that diagonal elements all the elements are 0. So this is nothing but upper triangular matrix. So this matrix is nothing but upper triangular matrix. So how we know the upper triangular matrix? You can see here. Below the diagonal elements, these are the diagonal elements, all the elements are 0, then it is called as upper triangular matrix. Then whatever the diagonal elements are there, these are nothing but the eigenvalues. So here you can see the option B, where it is showing diagonal elements 1, 4, 3. So these are our eigenvalues of the given matrix. So this is the upper triangular matrix. So we got the eigenvalues. Similarly, if you are having lower triangular matrix like this, means above the diagonal elements all the elements are 0, then whatever the diagonal elements are having, whatever the values, that will be our eigenvalues. Also, if you are having identity matrix means what? Only we are getting elements at diagonal as 1, all other elements 0. So you can see identity matrix also, whatever the diagonal elements are there, that will be nothing but eigenvalues of the matrix. So this is the upper triangular matrix. So we got the eigenvalues which are diagonal elements, values at the diagonal elements, that is 1, 4, 3, that is option B. This is for 3x3 matrix. Also look at this, you can get your answers, find out your answers. So this is for your homework. So whatever the things we have learned earlier, based on that find out the eigenvalues of this given matrix. The question was there in GATE 2002 for CS branch, and based on this 4x4 matrix you want to find out the eigenvalues for this matrix. So find out the eigenvalues of this matrix and put your answers in comment box. Waiting for your answers. So in this video we have seen how we will get the eigenvalues when you look at this question. In question, if it is upper triangular or lower triangular or identity matrix, you will get the eigenvalues within second. If you like it, press the like button, share the content with your friend, press the subscribe button and click on bell icon. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.